So tell us about Rita Phil. What's Rita Phil all about?
Rita Phil's all about making your curves look awesome. Right, so we have spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to make a woman's butt look curvy if she wants it curvier, or smaller if she wants to kind of minimize it. And so we do have a special way of making the pattern and of sewing the skirt so that you can, if you're looking at her in the front, she looks kind of very professional and very well put together. So we're not about making skirts that are skin tight like you're going to a bar, right? No, ours is you look very kind of put together, like like when you see the businesswomen on TV, right? They always somehow look so chiseled and so put together, but then when you turn to the side, it's nice and hugging your hips, right? So you don't kind of lose your curves. Like a lot of times when I was
femininity.
Exactly. Like when I was working in corporate, I would put on my suit, and one of my bosses said, "You look just like me, except in a skirt," right? Because essentially I look like a dude, right? Because when you get a skirt from the front that kind of fits you, then it's usually kind of loose, and when you turn to the side, it's just kind of straight down, right? But you don't want that. You're still a girl, right? Even if you're trying to look professional, you still want to be a female professional. So we figured out how to make you look put together, non-clubbing-ish, but still curvy.
Wow, very cool. And what's the business model? I mean, is it one-offs? So they go onto your website and they fill in a form with their own measurements, and then how do you do your samples? Is this the first visual? You have some kind of visual representation?
We have a line of skirts, so we also do one-off. So if you want a certain style, you can send us a picture and we'll help you kind of redesign it. So we don't do copies, right? So if you send us a picture, we cannot, we just don't want to. We respect other designers' work, right? So we're not going to make 100% copy for you, but we will help you use that as inspiration to create something similar. And so that's one product line. The other product line is we do have a series of pencil skirts that you can choose from, and then from there we have a video tutorial, or we get on video chat with you. So we can get on Skype or FaceTime and show you how to take your measurements, and then we make it to those measurements. So each skirt is made specifically for that customer. We hand make our patterns, hand cut everything, so everything's done with love and care. Super. And a lot of attention to detail.
Cool. And the website is?
RitaPhil.com.
RitaPhil.com. Cool. So check out RitaPhil.com. You can also contact Linh directly, and in the text below the video, we'll have her contact information. So thank you, Linh, very much for coming today and sharing with us, and good luck with the business.
Great. Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.